Maxwell, who are we gonna see?
My daddy.
And your mummy? Okay, come on, let's go.
We'll walk.
Yeah, we're gonna walk there. Come on.
No, I'm not going, baby. No, baby.
Maxwell.
Hey.
Come on, buddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Maxwell. Who are we gonna see?
My daddy.
Your mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are they?
Oh, pink.
Yeah, that is pink. Come on.
Pink.
Come on, buddy.
Pink.
We're gonna go see your mommy and daddy.
Oh, hello. Hello.
They're not in there. Come over here.
Hey, daddy.
Yeah. Where could they be?
Mommy.
They're
Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Daddy.
careful.
Whoa.
Where are they? Where are they?
Yellow bot.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow bot.
That is right.
Yellow bot. Baby.
Maxwell, my baby boy. Maxwell.
Hey.
Is it Elephant? Hi, buddy.
Look. Maxwell. Look, it's
Maxwell.
baby. Baby. Yeah.
What do you think?
It's your little sister.
Maxwell.
Do you want to see the baby?
Yeah.
Do you want to see her?
Come on up. What do you see?
It's like I actually
Want some smoothie? Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Do you want to see it, baby?
Do you want to see your sister? Or the smoothie?
Smoothie is pretty important.
He's like, okay.
Bye bye.
You may soon come to regret the invention of the video camera.
Hi, buddy. I missed you.
Elephant.
Did you bring Elephant?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Here, you want to show baby your elephant? Daddy, you want to show her?
Come show the baby elephant.
You're okay? Yep, I got it. I'll hold it for you. Oh, no. Okay, you go show her.
This baby.
Oh, there.
Thank you. There. You sharing elephant with baby?
Oh, that's
This
so
is
nice.
Meredith. Meredith. Maxwell's sister.
You're a big brother now.
It didn't take long. Smoothie.
As long as I have the smoothie, I'm fine. Oh, there's also
Yes. That was
Orange
what
juice.
was that?
orange juice.
Orange juice.
That is good. Can you find the baby?
Do you want to see her?
Do you want to touch your hair?
She's very soft.
Mm-hmm. I'm not sure what's going on. There you go.
We missed you today.